Hello there, and thank you for your interest in learning more about benefits from nature. I'm Connie Hernandez, and I, along with my colleague Chloe Jackson, are coastal ecologists who are researching tidal wetlands and how we benefit from tidal wetlands with the EPA. Our research is based on the investigation of things that nature does for us. We use the term final ecosystem goods and services to refer to the attributes from an environment that we can directly enjoy, consume, or use. And some of these final ecosystem goods and services are some of the reasons why we want to protect nature through the conservation of key ecosystems and restoration of systems that are degraded. We can protect the environments that provide those vital benefits for our well-being, like clean air, clean water, food, recreation, and materials for shelter. Everyone benefits from ecosystems in different ways. Some examples in tidal wetlands, the ecosystems that we study, are recreational benefits like fishing, hunting, appreciation of beautiful views, kayaking, flood mitigation, and improvement of water quality. Other ecosystems provide other benefits like fishing, livestock grazing, timber and forestry, and additional ways of finding art and inspiration. And we study how these services from nature are being delivered in tidal wetlands and how they can be enhanced or improved through restoration. Again, we research how restoration of habitats like tidal wetlands can help lead to increased and improved ecosystem services. In the hypothetical example on the top graph, it shows that over time, restoration of a tidal wetland can improve the amount of ecosystem services like flood protection in blue, recreational opportunities in the red line, and nutrient removal for water quality in the green. We are also looking at how climate change impacts, such as sea level rise, can lead to changes in ecosystem services or decreases of them. In the bottom graph, it shows that over time, a rise in sea level can decrease the amount of flood protection in the blue line, recreational opportunities in the red, and possibly nutrient removal for water quality in green. Ultimately, restoring coastal habitats may not only increase ecosystem services, but also decrease the negative impacts that a rising sea level or stronger storms may cause. And next time you can, whether you're inside or outside, I encourage you to think of what benefits you receive from nature. And I challenge you to think of what ways the environment contributes to making those benefits of good quality for your enjoyment. Thank you, and if you'd like to contact either Chloe or myself, our emails are on the slide.